I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking duck legs in the air fryer. So this is a package of duck legs. I got it in the freezer section of a supermarket, so they were frozen, but I did defrost them, so they're fully thawed for best results. If you'd like to cook them straight from frozen, you can too. Just add another 5 minutes or so to cooking time because frozen will take longer to cook. So I'm going to open the package of duck legs and season them. So now I'm just going to sprinkle them on both sides with the seasonings. I'm just going to keep it simple and just use salt and pepper. And of course you can use any seasonings you like. I'll flip them over and season the other side. Now once you've seasoned them, just put it in the air fryer. So let's put the duck legs in the air fryer basket. And put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 25 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these duck legs. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I do recommend using instant beef thermometer to make sure the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's over 165, so they're cooked. And if they're not cooked, just put them back in the air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for an additional 5 minutes or so until they're perfectly cooked inside. So let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. So good. So nicely browned with a crispy skin and perfectly cooked inside. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So I'm just going to cut a piece and show you the inside. So see, the inside is fully cooked. Perfect. The skin is so crispy, it's super addictive, and the inside is so juicy, so moist, so mouth-watering. This is perfectly cooked duck legs, and the air fryer makes the skin so crispy, and it's so easy to make. Air fryer does all the work. If you never tried cooking duck legs in the air fryer, give it a try. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!